Hi, my name is John E. and I'm the IT manager of this consultancy firm, and I'm having a meeting with my CEO, Jules. He wants us to take a more professional approach to IT. So let's hear what he has to say.
Hi John, how are you? I wanted to discuss a few things with you. As you know, we are in a tough market and I'm asked by the shareholders to produce better results as a company, less costs and better performance. When I compare ourselves with similar organizations, it seems we deliver less quality services, but spend more money. It's time we take a good look at ourselves and start improving our IT.
I'm actually glad, Jules, you're bringing this up. I did this ITIL training and this gave me a lot of ideas how to improve our services. But of course, I'll need your commitment in every way for the short-term improvements we can make, but also for the long-term improvements we should make. There are so many activities we need to do to offer a good IT service that ITIL says the best thing to do is to split these into phases. We'll call these combined phases a life cycle. Tell me, Jules, what do you think about before you consider implementing a new or changed IT service like the ERP implementation we have on our minds?
Well, I want to know if the new service like the ERP system is really bringing value to our company. What risks we take by implementing it? Did it work with other companies before we start doing anything?
Exactly. And if you want the IT department to take responsibility, that's also a question we should ask ourselves. What value, what costs, and what risks do we have with each service? You could say it's what we have to do first, and ITIL calls that service strategy. The next phase is service design, in which we should create more understanding about what the service is really about: capacity, availability, security, and other, so that all parties know what to expect.
Sounds like a lot of stuff. When do we start implementing?
Yeah, I hear that from a lot of people. First, understand that making errors can cost a lot of time too, but also understand that the amount of preparation depends on each service. Okay, but I hear you are impatient though, so once we know enough about the service, we can start implementing, and we call that service transition.
Now you're talking, so this is the moment where we start doing stuff.
Yeah, although service strategy and service design can be a lot of work too, you know. The last phase in the life cycle is service operation, where we manage the services while users use the service. In this phase, we see processes like incident management, problem management, and other. So the last part is the continual service improvement, which is a continual process throughout the entire life cycle. We look at all possible ways to improve ourselves and improve the service.
So if I understand it correctly, we can use this approach for each service, but then use the same approach for all services. That sounds good, John. Thank you for your presentation.
You're welcome, Jules. You seem a lot happier than before my presentation. I will start with the activities and we'll stay in touch. That's it for now, people. Watch all the video assignments before the course. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and go to our website or follow us on social media for extra goodies. See you in course.